All right, what's up, people? This is going to be fun. I'm going to show you everything. Trust me, this is going to be a long video because I haven't even turned anything on yet. This here, these are my peppers marinating in hot water. That's number one. This is my chicken marinating. Oil, hoisin, broccoli in a steamer. Ain't nothing been turned on yet. Finished plate. We're doing Rube motherfucking Goldberg. So here's what I'm gonna do. This guy over here, I want to turn him on. Let's see, how do I want to do that? I want to hit on. Yeah. So what I want to do is I want to bring these broccolis to a fucking boil. Now while I'm doing that, look, you think, okay, you got to set up. So we'll bring these broccolis to a boil. You'll start seeing them steaming and shit, right? Peppers. I gotta check on these fucking peppers. These are my red peppers. In the warm water. Ah, it feels so good. It's almost like I'm pissing. Where's it? Don't worry. See what I'm saying? See, I ain't fucking around. I'm just waiting for this. We'll see when it starts to fucking go. It'll start to go. You can almost see it. Don't worry. Everything's going to be pink in here. This is going to be a long thing. These are going in. I haven't even turned this one on yet. That one's going. I haven't even turned this one on yet. I should probably turn it on, right? We go on, then we'll go up, and then we'll go down, 8, 7. Yeah, 7's good. Select 2 lights. See? So now this plate is going to start getting warm. So, okay, look. I know you guys think I could never be Bobby Flay, and I probably couldn't, but let me show you what's going to happen. Right here, this is going to fucking put steam on that shit. Here, I'm getting that shit hot. I'm going to throw some oil in there, throw them peppers in there, put the chicken in there, then that goes in there, and then everything is going good. That shit ain't that hard. Turn it off now. I spoiler the fuck out of you. What I was gonna do. You feel me? You get hot water, cold oil, man. Just saying. Now we're waiting for this guy to get steamy. You gotta let these guys kind of go a little bit. I mean, I could put a lid on it. If you're in a hurry, put a lid on it. I'm just saying. I got all the time in the world. This guy's going the way I want it to go. This guy's... He's going to be underneath. But trust me, he's going to be good. That's where that's going. That's where that's going. Ultimately, that's where that's going with that. Everything. I just didn't do mushrooms. See? Now you can start seeing the steam. You see what I'm talking about? I know what the fuck I'm doing. I got it ready. I got it ready, bro. The greens. And to whoever the fuck it was that said that, and I think that was super cool when you said that you have jade chopsticks. Bro, I have a jade Buddha. I have many jade Buddhas. I would never use jade for chopsticks. That sounds delicate as fuck. I hope you eat well with that. That's a noodle type. I don't know. These are the best in the entire universe. And you can buy those easily. No, actually the best is... wait for it. Oh, fuck. I lost my narrative, man. It's in there. Why do they keep putting these fucking, like, they're burying my shit. Like, this is why I get mad. Is because it's like, I have all this shit in here. I'm like, there was one there, but Sony might have took it. Anywho, see? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's my broccoli. That's my broccoli. Feel me? See what I'm doing? See, I ain't fucking around. You think I don't cook? I'm cooking. Now see this guy over here? Where's he at? He's at about a 7. Now see, where's this guy at? He's at high. Don't worry. I'm gonna pull that guy off when it's necessary. It's super fucking awesome. Just the broccoli, you know. Come on, let's go. Let's leave it. You think, why is she doing nothing? Okay, I'm doing something. Nah, this is not a cooking video. Because watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that. That guy's going to sit over there. He's going to go off. And he's going to come back on. Now, this is vegetable oil. I'm going to just throw that in there a little bit. Yeah, that's a lot. I fucked up. Toss these fuckers in. You know what I'm saying? Ouch. Ouch. Damn. Right? You feel me? You feel me? Everything is always good. Everything is always good. Now watch. That, and that. Secret weapon number 2. Secret weapon number 2. Watch what I do. Boom. Boom. I know, right? It's weird. I know. Watch what ends up happening. You gotta wait for it. What do we want to call this? I don't even know. What are we going to call this? Clean your phone off? How about we call it clean your shit up? I'm going to take this Hoisin back. It says keep refrigerated after opening. I say suck a dick. I keep it in my pantry, nigger. See, I work different than most of y'all. Oh, this guy. Put the cap back on. I'll take this guy. See what I'm doing? You don't even understand what I'm doing. Take that guy back. Now this guy can go suck a dick. He's empty. Boom. This guy, pretty much done. You feel me? Look. I'm plating. Make sure if you're doing broccoli, steam it first. That's all I'm saying. Anywho, have a great day. I know I'm going to enjoy the fuck out of this.